And now we're back where we were by the chapel and the dead zoo. For reference, we're back in the foyer. That's the front door. This is the back door, which leads into the Chateau courtyard, which is super impressive, especially from the view of the drone, seeing how large this courtyard is in comparison to a human, or even had the car pulling up earlier. And here you get the true perspective of the chateau. So behind me, that's where we're sleeping. That's actually for rent. So you can actually rent those rooms out and stay here. There's a restaurant off to the left here. And then behind me, this is where the owner lives. So we haven't even toured this entire wing, and we haven't even toured the wing behind us here for a perspective of just how freaking huge this chateau is. Of everything we've seen, what was the craziest, the most impressive, the most beautiful thing that you saw? Again, I want to thank the teams at Barnes International for giving us the opportunity to come out here to Normandy and share something that no one has really seen up until this point. If you're new here, subscribe, give the video a like, and with that, we will see you in the next video.